Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Tech Matt here, bringing you a video on replacing your eyes. So this is fairly simple. I know a lot of you have questions about it, on how easy it is, if you should do it, and what to look out for to prevent you from damaging your equipment even more. Even if you just want to simply clean it and remove everything from the gun, or sending your gun to get anodized and you need to remove it anyway. So first off, we're going to go ahead and remove the front and rear grips here. With those removed, we're going to go ahead and take our 3/32 Allen and remove the trigger frame screws. Once we have the trigger frame removed, we're going to go ahead and set those aside here. And then also, to make it a little bit easier, remove the bolt. And we will be needing to remove the eye pipe as well, so we're going to set that aside. Now, once you have it disassembled, it's fairly simple. We're just going to go ahead and unplug the eyes here on the pressure sensor board. Once those are unplugged, we're going to go ahead and take the Allen. Simply just go ahead and push up on the black plastic piece here. And once you have one removed, they both should, one side should unlatch from the other. And we have the entire eye assembly now removed. And we're going to go ahead and gently pull through the feed neck here. And here is the entire eye assembly for a die M3, M2, and the DSR. The DSR cables are going to be a little bit shorter than this, along with M2s. The M2 pressure sensor board, that it wraps around the solenoid here. So it would be plugging in like right around the service hole area. So the cables are going to be a little bit shorter on the DSR and M2. Now, when you get your new eyes, you just simply pull on the cables here, wiggling it a little bit because there are hooks on this piece right here that hold the eyes in place so they are securely and properly aligned. And we're going to go ahead and grab our new eyes. Now with our new eyes, there's going to be a flat side and then a side with a little round end here. Get the camera to focus. You can see this little round end here and then the flat end. The round ends are going to face each other when inserting it back into the retainer. We're just going to slide them in and gently push up. And then I normally will take them and bend the cables like so. So it'll properly sit inside. There is no front and back to these. I believe the M2 eye retainer does have a front. There will be an indent here on one side where the eyes will be facing the front of the gun. That is for the eye pipe as well, to help align the eye pipe properly. Now, placing the eyes back, we're just going to go ahead and get this cable as straight as we can. Insert it at the service hole here. And once we do, we're just going to take our right index finger, push through while also pulling the cable on this end. This retainer does sit in a groove. And since we kind of bent that little plastic piece, it's going to be rocking back and forth. So to help secure this, I'm going to go ahead and take the eye pipe and insert the eye pipe. There we go. Now that we have the eye pipe secure, we're going to go ahead and now take our cable, wrap it around the side of the solenoid here, line up the tabs on the plug itself. Then we're going to take our Allen and gently push the cables down, slightly bending them so they stay in place. And once we have those in place, we're going to go ahead and replace our trigger frame here. Put our bolt back in place. Get our grips back on. And there you have it. A clean, simple video on replacing the eyes in your M3 Plus. These steps can be followed again for the M2 and DSR. It's just when you remove the grips of the DSR, it's a little bit different, along with removing the trigger frame. But after that, you should be able to follow the same steps to replacing the eyes. Thank you guys very much. Have a good evening.